Good morning, students. I hope you are well and fine at home and studying regularly. Today we would do a triumph of surgery from a supplementary book, the first chapter. I hope that you have read it. It is not so difficult. So let me begin. In this story, we will get the main characters Mrs. Pumphrey, Mr. Harriet Tricky, Mr. Hodgkin, and Mr. Tristan and Joe. The main character is Tricky himself, the dog, because the story centers around him. Mrs. Pumphrey, who is a rich lady and she doesn't have anybody to take care, so all her attention centers around this dog Tricky. She loved the dog in such a way that she overfed the dog, and the result is Tricky was not behaving like other dogs, and every day, whatever food was offered at any time of the day, he used to eat it. And the result is he was becoming fat day by day, day by day. And the mistress thought that the dog is suffering from malnutrition, so she started overfeeding more. Day by day, when Tricky's condition was worsening, she thought to consult with one doctor, that is Mr. Harriet. Mr. Harriet, by looking to the dog, Tricky understood that the dog is suffering from overcare. So he decided that he should be given a treatment. Later on, when the situation worsened, Mrs. Pumphrey called the doctor other day and said that Tricky is suffering more, so immediate treatment is required. Mr. Harriet came and took Tricky to the surgery center. There, the doctor gave him a comfortable bed to sleep because that one was given by Mrs. Pumphrey, and whatever necessary things Tricky had at home, all were given to the doctor so that Tricky would not have any problem at the surgery center. Now, the doctor knew that Tricky was overfed and because of that he was suffering. So, the doctor did not give first 3 days any meal, only water, plenty of water. The other dogs at the surgery center came and they sniffed at him and afterwards found that he is not at all attractive because he was not behaving like other dogs, running, jumping, snatching others' food and so on. So they left him and went away. 3 days, Tricky did not show any movement, but after some time, after 3 days, he started making little sound by calling to other dogs, by responding them. Then after that, at meal time, he started showing some symptoms of getting hungry. So he also ran with them. So next day, the doctor gave one extra bowl of meal for him. In the meantime, Mrs. Pumphrey thought that better to send some food for Tricky. So she started sending a dozen of egg, then branded brandy for Tricky for getting good health. But the doctor did not give those food to Tricky because that one would be not good for Tricky. But the food was consumed by the doctor himself and other staff in the surgery center. So day after day, Tricky was improving because he was now behaving like other dogs, running, jumping and hunting rats at night and playing with other dogs. And the meal that is given to Tricky, that was not like earlier one. So he was improving day by day, and as the doctor promised that for fortnight, means 14 days, the dog would stay at the surgery center So Mrs. Pumphrey was worried that when this 14 days would be over, and as soon as it was over, she could not wait for longer time. She reached at the surgery center and inquired to doctor that whether Tricky is fine or not right now. So the doctor said yes, Tricky is all right now and you can meet him. So Tricky was brought. As soon as Tricky saw Mrs. Pumphrey, the dog ran and jumped on the lap of Mrs. Pumphrey, hugged her, licked her, and so on, as if the dog is asking to Mrs. Pumphrey that where you were and why you did not come, and so on. So many complaints. Okay. Then Mrs. Pumphrey asked to doctor, can she carry the dog with her? Doctor said yes, he is all right. So the doctor gave whatever things Mrs. Pumphrey provided for the dog, those all things to Mrs. Pumphrey, and Tricky was taken by Mrs. Pumphrey, and she could not speak out the thanks or thanking words, but her expression was enough to show or indicate that it was a triumph of surgery. So in that way the title is given a triumph of surgery, but actually there was not any surgical process, only the strict diet that was provided by the doctor, the veterinarian doctor. It improved Tricky's health, and Tricky recovered well and became healthy. That is the end of the story. Now I would give you some questions of this chapter and also homework from previous chapter that yesterday I taught you, Dust of Snow. Okay, thank you.